Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Microsoft Authentication Library, MSAL, sign-ins on Android step by step clearly. To restore Microsoft Authentication Library sign-ins on Android, start by checking your app's dependencies. Open your project in Android Studio. Locate the build.gradle file for your app module. Ensure you have the latest version of the MSAL library included. If necessary, update the dependency to the latest version. Sync your project to apply these changes. Next, verify your Azure app registration settings. Log into the Azure portal. Navigate to the Azure Active Directory section. Find your registered application and open its settings. Check the redirect URIs listed in the authentication settings. Make sure they match the URIs used in your Android app. Now, review the permissions granted to your application. Ensure you have the correct API permissions set up. Consider adding the required permissions if they are missing. Returning to your Android app, locate the code handling authentication. Open the activity or fragment where the sign-in process occurs. Initialize the MSAL client with your application's configuration. This includes specifying your client ID and redirect URI. Handle the sign-in process with the appropriate MSAL methods. Implement the necessary callback to manage the authentication result. Next, ensure you handle token caching appropriately. Check if a token already exists before attempting to sign in. Implement logic to refresh tokens as necessary. Now, test your implementation on an emulator or physical device. Attempt to sign in using a valid account. Observe the behavior of the application during the sign-in process. If you encounter errors, check the logcat for any relevant error messages. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.